Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titus Boba. Today I will share with you 4 ways you can stay focused in financial challenging times. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Number 1, stop watching the news. Okay, now it's okay for you to watch the news and get some basic essential, like the weather today, it's going to rain, it's okay. But you got to stop watching the news almost every day. You see, what's going on in the news is there's a lot of negative energy. You want to control your mind. You want to control your energy. You want to control, what's going on in your mind. It's okay for you to watch the news, get 1 or 2 stuff out of the channel or the news. That's about it. But stop watching the news. I see people watching the news in the morning, midday, lunch. That's not gonna keep you focused. You got to control your mind. You want to be in control of your mind. When you can do that, you will be able to get to your financial goal and really navigate yourself during tough times like what we are in right now. Okay, so still, it's okay. Watch the news, get some basic information like the weather, what's going on around you, your community and stuff like that. That's good. But you want to control your mind. Okay, so let's go to point number 2. Before we get into point number 2, I want to ask you guys to please smash the like button for positivities. Okay, not only that, it's going to really help my channel grow, and I really do appreciate that. And lastly, it will help YouTube to recommend the video to more people that want to stay focused during this financial challenging times. So with that being said, let's go right on to point number 2. Point number 2 is that you want to set a big goal or have a big goal. You see, the purpose of goal is not to get stuff. The purpose of goal is to bring more of yourself to the surface. For example, let's say you set a goal to earn an extra 60K a year, okay? Basic number, okay? To earn a 60K a year, you see, you can get that 60K for anywhere. But the purpose of setting that goal, right, is for you to bring more of yourself to the surface, because you want to raise your awareness. You want to expand your mind. You see, that's the purpose of goals. So set big goals. In time like this, set bigger goals and really figure out, how am I going to get to this goal by, expanding your mind, right? So, because if you get, let's just say you make that 60K this year, without expanding your mind, what's going to happen is that your level of awareness going to go right back to where you are. So if you are, if let's say you're making 30K a year, something's going to happen that's going to trigger all the money you earn is going to leave your hand. Okay, so you want to set big goals. What that does for you is that it helps you to really bring more of yourself to the surface. So that's point number 2. Set big goals, stay focused, locked in. Okay, point number 3 is that you want to raise your vibration. Now, I'm going to go a little bit deep into this. Okay, stay with me. Okay, when The Secret came out, okay, it raised the awareness of the law of attraction. But you see, the law of attraction, okay, is the secondary law. There's 2 main primary laws of the universe. It's the law of attraction and the law of vibration. Okay, you want to focus on raising your vibration. You see, The Secret really raised the awareness of the law of attraction, but the law of attraction is a secondary law. The law of vibration is the primary law of the universe. Everything in the universe, including you, the camera you're watching this on, vibrates, it moves. So you want to continue to raise your vibration in time like this. Like I said in the beginning, stop watching the news. Why? Because the news send out a lot of negative energy, and that comes into our mind. What it does is that we're going to express that negative energy in so many ways. The way we speak to our family, our kids, our loved ones. So raise your vibration by focusing on the positive stuff in your life, like your family members, like your loved ones. You know what I'm saying? So you want to really focus on raising your vibration. You can do that by listening to positive music, reading good positive books. One of my favorite books is that Think and Grow Rich. You might not understand the deeper meaning of the books, but just read, because reading creates thinkers, and when you can think, you can create. So focus on raising your vibration. When you do, in time like this, you're going to create more opportunity for yourself. Make sure you want to control your mind, not from the outside, but from the inside. Okay, and point number 4 is that you want to focus on making more money. In time like this, even though it might be challenging, but there's always opportunity. Everything is equal and opposite. When there's challenging time, there are more opportunity where you can make more money. So focus on making more money. Okay, there's so many ways you can make more money today. There's so many opportunity online. We really want to focus on making more money so you can really, elevate your life. So focus on making more money. I don't care what you have to do, get creative. Like I say in some of my previous videos, I talk about leveraging the gig economy. I feel right now the gig economy is one of the best way you can make some quick money fast now, like yesterday. You can. So focus on making some really great money, and you can really be able to control and stay focused during financial time. I hope this helped. If you like this information, I ask that you smash the like button. With that being said, it was great speaking with you guys. I hope you guys take these 4 points very serious. I will see you guys on the next video. And remember, always follow me on social media at AY Royal Fit. Let's connect. Great speaking with you guys. You guys have a nice day. Peace out.